All right, no more choo-choo. We'll get it out in a minute. Open up a present. Go ahead. Which present you want to open? Don't cry. Look, you got more toys. Open a box. Oh, you want that box? Okay, go ahead. You want your stocking now? Okay, let's look at the stocking. It's the Tigger stocking.
This is the most joyous news ever announced. The Savior, the Messiah, has just been born in Bethlehem.
Go ahead, pull that out. Oh yeah, you got candies.